Welcome to English Ocean, where English becomes more than just a language. It becomes the gateway to transforming your life. Today isn't just another day of learning. It's potentially the moment that changes your life forever. I'm here to share something profound, something that others might hesitate to tell you. But it's a truth that could ignite an unstoppable fire in your soul. Let me ask you a question that deserves your complete honesty. Are you truly happy with your life right now? If tomorrow were your last day on earth, would you look back with pride at what you've achieved? If your answer is no, then consider this your wake-up call. This is the universe speaking directly to you, saying it's time for change. Here's a fundamental truth that many refuse to accept. Your life isn't going to transform by accident. Success won't fall into your lap through mere luck or wishful thinking. The life you dream of, the one that makes your heart race with excitement, will only materialize when you make the conscious decision to change. It's time to stop living in the shadow of excuses. You've probably told yourself these lines before. I'm too young to start. I'm too old to change. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough time. I don't have the right connections. I don't have the proper education. Let me be brutally honest with you. These excuses are nothing but lies you tell yourself to avoid taking responsibility for your life. They're comfortable blankets you wrap yourself in to avoid facing the cold reality of what it takes to succeed. But comfort is the enemy of progress, and these excuses are slowly poisoning your potential. Do you want to know why most people fail to achieve their dreams? It's not because they're unlucky. It's not because they lack intelligence or talent. It's because they never take meaningful action. They spend their days complaining about their problems instead of working to solve them. They waste precious time explaining why they can't succeed instead of figuring out how they can. Consider the story of Oprah Winfrey, a woman who redefined what's possible. Born into poverty in rural Mississippi, she faced unimaginable hardships and obstacles. Society told her she wouldn't make it. Her circumstances suggested she was destined for a life of struggle. But Oprah refused to accept these limitations. She worked tirelessly, stayed focused on her vision, and transformed herself into one of the most influential and successful people in the world. What was the difference between Oprah and countless others who faced similar circumstances? She refused to let her excuses define her destiny. Close your eyes for a moment and allow yourself to envision the life you truly desire. See yourself waking up in the morning in your dream home, the one you've always imagined. Feel the soft sheets, hear the peaceful silence, and breathe in the fresh air of success. Look outside your window and see that luxury car you've always wanted, parked in your driveway. It's not just a car. It's a symbol of your hard work and determination. But here's the most beautiful part of this vision. Picture your parents' faces. See the pride in their eyes, the joy in their smiles, knowing they no longer have to worry about anything. You've given them the life they deserve, the life they dreamed of while working countless hours to provide for you. You've transformed their sacrifice into success, their hopes into reality. Now open your eyes. Does this vision feel impossible? Does it feel like nothing more than a fantasy? Let me tell you something powerful. This life isn't just achievable. It's waiting for you. but it requires one crucial element: your unwavering commitment to change. Your habits today are either building the bridge to this future or burning it down. Let's be brutally honest about your current habits. Are you spending hours scrolling through social media, binge-watching Netflix series, or playing video games? These aren't just harmless pastimes. They're thieves stealing your future. Every minute spent on mindless entertainment is a minute you'll never get back. Time is the most precious resource you have, and successful people understand this at their core. Think about what separates truly successful people from those who merely dream of success. Successful individuals use their time with intention. While others are scrolling through Instagram, they're reading books that expand their minds. While others are binge-watching shows, they're learning new skills that increase their value. While others are playing games, they're working on building their dreams. Take a moment to reflect on your parents' sacrifice. Your mother carried you in her womb for 9 months, enduring discomfort, sacrificing her comfort, and putting her dreams on hold to give you life. Your father worked tirelessly, perhaps at a job he didn't love, to ensure you had food on the table, clothes on your back, and access to education. They invested their lives in your future. Now it's your turn. What are you doing to honor their sacrifice? Don't you want to see pure joy on your mother's face when you hand her the keys to her dream house? Can you imagine the tears of pride in your father's eyes when you tell him he can finally retire because you've got everything covered? This isn't just about material success. It's about giving them the peace of mind they deserve, the happiness they've earned, and the pride of knowing their child has become everything they hoped for. But here's the truth about success that many people don't want to hear. It requires sacrifice. Success isn't comfortable. It means waking up at 5 a.m. when your body begs for more sleep. It means working on your goals while your friends are out partying. It means saying no to immediate pleasures and yes to long-term growth. It means choosing discipline over comfort every single day. Let me share a powerful story about desire and success. A young man approached a wise mentor, asking for the secret to success. The mentor took him to the beach, walked him into the ocean, and suddenly held his head under water. The young man struggled, fought, and finally burst out of the water, gasping for air. The mentor looked him in the eyes and said, "When you want success as badly as you wanted to breathe just now, that's when you'll find it. Your environment shapes your destiny. Look carefully at the people surrounding you right now. Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? Are they feeding your dreams or fueling your doubts? If your friends are negative, lazy, or unmotivated, guess what? Their attitudes are contagious, and they're infecting your mindset every day. Success isn't just about individual effort. It's about the environment you create for yourself. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be better. If that means distancing yourself from toxic friendships or limiting time with negative family members, so be it. Your future is more important than their opinions. Here's the most crucial truth you need to embrace. You have to believe in yourself before anyone else will. The world is full of doubters, haters, and critics. They'll tell you you're not good enough, not smart enough, not capable enough. Their words only have power if you give them power. Prove them wrong through your actions, not your arguments. Remember this about failure. It's not the end. It's the beginning. Every successful person you admire has failed more times than you can imagine. Michael Jordan, arguably the greatest basketball player of all time, was cut from his high school basketball team. Did he let that define him? No. He used it as fuel, practiced harder than ever, and became a legend. Your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant in it will grow. If you plant doubts, fears, and limitations, you'll harvest a life of mediocrity. But if you plant confidence, positivity, and unlimited belief in your potential, you'll grow a life of extraordinary achievement. Take time each day for yourself. Find a quiet space, away from the noise of social media, away from the demands of others, and connect with your inner voice. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? What am I willing to sacrifice to achieve it? What steps am I taking today to move closer to my dreams? Every morning when you wake up, you have a choice. You can either continue down the path of mediocrity, or you can choose to step into your greatness. Your daily actions determine your destiny. Let me be clear. Visualization alone isn't enough. Positive thinking alone won't change your life. You need to combine your dreams with decisive action. Start speaking to yourself with power and conviction. Stand in front of your mirror and declare, I am amazing. I am unstoppable. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. These aren't just empty words. They're programming commands for your subconscious mind. Write these affirmations down and repeat them every single day. At first, it might feel uncomfortable or even silly, but remember, your mind believes what you consistently tell it. Visualize your dream life in vivid detail. See yourself walking into your ideal job, commanding respect and admiration. Picture yourself driving your dream car, not from a place of materialism, but as a symbol of your achievement. Imagine the joy on your parents' faces when you tell them they never have to worry about money again. Feel the satisfaction of traveling the world, experiencing different cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. But here's where most people stop. They visualize, they dream, but they never take action. That ends today. Every great achievement begins in the mind, but it's brought to life through consistent, determined action. Your dreams without action are just wishes, and wishes don't change reality. Actions do. Your life is a direct reflection of your habits. Every day, you're either building habits that move you toward success or habits that keep you stuck in mediocrity. Let's talk about creating habits that transform your life. 1. Take control of your mornings. Wake up early. Not because it's trendy, but because those quiet morning hours are your opportunity to work on yourself before the world demands your attention. Use this time to exercise, read, plan your day, or work on your goals. 2. Guard your mind fiercely. Your thoughts shape your reality. When negative thoughts creep in, and they will recognize them for what they are, temporary visitors, not permanent residents. Replace I can't with how can I? Replace I'm not good enough with I'm getting better every day. 3. Invest in your growth. Successful people never stop learning. Read books that challenge your thinking. Take courses that expand your skills. Seek out mentors who have achieved what you want to achieve. Your education doesn't stop when you leave school. It's a lifelong journey. 4. Practice gratitude daily. Before you chase new dreams, acknowledge what you already have. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every morning. This isn't just positive thinking. It's about maintaining perspective and building emotional resilience. Remember Thomas Edison's journey to inventing the light bulb. He failed over 1,000 times before succeeding. When asked about these failures, he said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps." Your journey to success will have many steps, many challenges, and yes, many failures. Embrace them all as necessary parts of your growth. This is it, the moment where everything changes. You've heard the truth about what it takes to succeed. You've learned about the power of your mind, the importance of your habits, and the necessity of action. Now comes the most important question. What are you going to do about it? Stop settling for average. Average is for people who have given up on their dreams. Average is for those who let fear control their decisions. You were born for more than average. You were born to excel, to achieve, to inspire others with your success story. Here's your challenge. Make this personal. Don't just listen to these words and continue with business as usual. Write down, right now, what you're going to do differently starting today. What habits will you change? What goals will you set? What actions will you take in the next 24 hours? What excuses will you eliminate from your life? The world is waiting for you to rise, to shine, and to inspire others with your story. The life you want isn't just possible. It's inevitable if you commit to the journey. Yes, the path will be challenging. Yes, there will be obstacles. Yes, there will be days when you want to give up. But remember why you started. Remember your parents' sacrifices. Remember your dreams. Remember that you have greatness within you. Your time is now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next year, now. Every second you wait is a second wasted. Every excuse you make is a dream delayed. Every doubt you harbor is potential unfulfilled. Stand up right now. Take a deep breath. Feel the power within you. You are capable of amazing things. You have everything you need to succeed. The only person who can stop you is you, so get out of your own way. Dream big. Work hard. Stay focused. Never give up. You are unstoppable. The future belongs to those who dare to chase their dreams. And your time to chase yours begins right now. Go out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for your success story. Remember, your potential is limitless. Your time is now. Your success is inevitable if you commit to the journey. Now go. Take action. Make it happen. I believe in you. Your extraordinary life awaits.